Yankee Marshall, this is my little entry into your contest. I'm gonna take this Glock down with one hand. So here we go. Let's try it. Pull the trigger, pull it back, pull down one of the tabs, go around the other side, pull the other tab down, and off she goes. One-handed. Do you need me to catch that? Or is that good enough? It should work, right? I need to use another hand, and it's disabled. It's disabled. Took it apart, took all the spring, take the barrel out, and that's it. I wonder if we can put her back together. This is... There she is. She's back together. What do you think about that?